I moved to Denmark, and in this video I will be telling you all about why I moved, and make sure you stay until the end because I will be spilling the tea on my new job and what it is like to work here in Denmark. Hey friends, if we haven't met before, I am Venetia, your cybersecurity bestie. And on this channel, we talk all about cybersecurity and how you can succeed in your career as a cybersecurity professional. Now, it has been a really long time since my last video. And I mean, there's a good reason, right? So as you know by the title of this video, I moved all the way from South Africa to Copenhagen, Denmark. And this, my friends, this was a situation. Firstly, before we start to get into the situation, let's put down any elephants in this room. This was not due to any kind of negativity or bad vibes or anything like that in South Africa. SA is home, it's all love there. This move was basically due to a really huge job opportunity. And for both my husband and I, we were really fortunate that this was a goal. To be able to move abroad and work abroad was a goal of ours for a really long time. And we have been working at this goal. And to finally see this materialize has been really, really fantastic. So if you don't know what I do, I am a cloud security architect. So I work full-time as a cybersecurity professional, and my husband works in tech as well. So we were both really fortunate to be able to find or to get jobs and get employed abroad. And so here we are in Denmark. So why Denmark? The million-dollar question, right? I mean, why not, right? So a little bit of information about Denmark. Denmark is home to around 5.8 million people. It is a beautiful country. It's a country in Scandinavia, and generally people are really happy here. It is literally listed as one of the happiest countries in the world to live in. And I mean, over and above that, they have really good equality ratios in Denmark. It's good for families to live. So, I mean, the list just goes on with the great reasons to live in Denmark. Okay, now moving to the second big question. What is the job, right? What is the working situation? So moving to Denmark, I took a new opportunity at a really big, global kind of organization here as a cloud security architect. So I'm still a cloud security architect. I absolutely love it. It's a role that I transitioned into just under 2 years ago now, and I feel like it is just booming and evolving, and it's just the perfect space to be. And the new job I find is very interesting, and it's very challenging, and it's very different being across the table, right? So on the other side of the fence of kind of big tech, working in the big tech kind of solutions, but maybe across the table from that, if you get what I'm saying. And if you want a full update, and if you want me to make a full video on my new job, my role, what I do on the daily, let me know down in the comments, and I'll be sure to make a video all about that. So in my experience, working in Denmark has been really fantastic. People are extremely knowledgeable. People are really focused in the workplace. They execute, they get things done, things move here, but without the kind of rush and pressure that you may face elsewhere. It's really well balanced. You know, work is very, very important. And what you do after work is just as important, with your family or by yourself or with your friends or with whoever. I find that here people have a life like 9 to 5, and then from 6 until 10 p.m. they have a whole different life, which has been very, very interesting. But here I have just found the integration in the workplace has been really welcoming, and it's been an amazing working culture to adapt to. Let's talk about what's next. So firstly, I am not moving away from sharing information on all of my social platforms, from kind of my initiatives that I'm driving to enable more women to succeed in cybersecurity. If you don't know, that's what I am literally all about. I will be actually enhancing a lot of the stuff that I do here on YouTube and over on Instagram. So if you're not following me there, definitely go and give me a follow on Instagram. The plan on YouTube is definitely to bring out some tutorials for you on how to work in different cybersecurity platforms, what people in different roles do, and there's really a lot of excitement that I have and a lot of cool initiatives that I have planned for this channel over the next year. So if you haven't done it yet, make sure that you subscribe, and if you made it till this far, clearly you like this video, so you should definitely give it a like, and remember to turn on all the notifications, click, and stay tuned. Don't miss any of the future content coming up. And finally, if you are just getting started in cybersecurity, then you should definitely go and watch this video where I tell you exactly how to get started. Catch you next time, friends. Bye.